What are the activity levels on MyFitnesspal? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. On the MyFitnesspal app, if you tap on the More option, then tap on the Goals option, and here you can find the option of activity level. In this video, I'm going to discuss about what these activity levels are on the MyFitnesspal app. If you tap on this option, you're going to find 4 different options. The first one is not very active. If you are not very active, it means you spend most of the time of the day sitting. Your daily activities might include no moderate or vigorous activities. Unless you do at least 30 minutes per day of intentional exercise, you are considered to be not very active. The second one is lightly active. If you are lightly active, you spend a good part of the day on your feet. Daily exercise that is equal to walking for 30 minutes. For an adult of average weight, this amount of exercise will burn about 130 to 160 additional calories. More intense exercise can be performed for less time to achieve the same goal. If you are active, it means you spend good part of the day doing some physical activity. Your daily exercise is equal to walking 1 hour and 45 minutes. For an adult of average weight, this amount of exercise will burn about 470 to 580 additional calories. If you are very active, it means you spend most of the day doing heavy physical activity, for example, bike messenger or carpenter. Your daily exercise is equal to walking for 4 hours and 15 minutes. For an adult of average weight, this amount of exercise will burn about 1,150 to 1,400 additional calories. You can select your activity level based on your daily activities and then set it accordingly. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comments section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.